Humans are said to be at the top of the tree of life. We build complex architecture, we solve problems using technology, and we can appreciate sophisticated philosophical issues, such as the origins of life in the universe. We're simply the most evolved, right? But what if I told you that we humans are no more evolved than animals that may seem primitive in comparison? Evolution is the process of organisms developing traits that allow them to better pass down their genes to future generations. This natural selection favours individuals that are the most well adapted to a given environment, possessing features needed to pass on their genes in the most efficient way given for their specific circumstances. These features can be physical, but also behavioural, reproductive, or chemical. Evolution is not a conscious process, and noticeable changes within the population often take many generations to show. But that takes us back to the question of this video. If evolution favours the most well-adapted organisms to survive, why haven't animals like snails evolved to be more like us? The truth is, snails, and indeed all other animals, are adapted to their respective environments. Beetles, or the Coleoptera for example, are extraordinarily diverse, but no one beetle is more evolved than any others. All species of beetles have had to evolve to resist some form of ecological stress. But this leads us to another problem. If animals are capable of evolving against this stress, why do some species go extinct? Well, as mentioned before, the changes associated with evolution happen over many generations. For organisms that live short lives and reproduce in great numbers, this is less of a problem, as genetic mutation can occur more quickly. But for organisms such as mammals, some of which may only have one offspring every few years, evolution takes longer to occur. If the species cannot adapt to the changes in its environment in time, it will go extinct, as we have seen with numerous different species across human and pre-human history. Of course, this barely scratches the surface of the complexities of evolution. I haven't even mentioned R and K selection, the causes of genetic mutation, or opposing arguments to the subject. But hopefully this video will act as a sort of base for those interested to go ahead and conduct their own research further into the topic. But for now, I think I'm going to take a leaf out of Bomber's book, take it nice and slow.